My husband is preparing this for the Pacquiao fight. He and my sons are going to grill this, my husband's gonna wash the meat now, and then he's gonna marinate them, and then after marinating for a few minutes, then he's gonna my husband's putting spices on the meat now.
Oh my God.
Pepper is now sprinkled all over the meat, and he also put some onions over them. It's gonna really taste delicious. Oh, the lemon is being squeezed on the meat because it's gonna make the grilled meat more flavorful. The onion bulbs are being used to clean the grill before putting the meat to be cooked. All the slices are on the grill now. They're starting to turn golden brown now, and they really smell so good. My son is now starting to flip the meat, the slices, because they're really turning dark brown now.
Didn't think before decide, but girl, don't be warned ya before. Will you tell the folks back home I really made?
Hold on. Okay, here's my second son, and he's now helping cook the meat. Smile, anak. Finally, they are fully cooked. We are now ready to eat.
You want fried rice, baby? You want some pork? Nana, come here!
The meat have been sliced to smaller pieces.